Renovating our home, before and after. Renovating a home can be a challenging and exciting process. It is a great opportunity to update your living space and make it more functional and comfortable for your family. But, it can also be a time-consuming and costly endeavor. In this article, we will take a look at our own experience of renovating our home, and share some before and after photos to inspire your own home renovation projects. The before. Our home was built in the early 1990s, and it was starting to show its age. The walls were painted in outdated colors, and the carpet was worn and stained. The kitchen was small and cramped, with outdated appliances and cabinets. The bathrooms were functional but needed an update. We knew it was time for a change. We started by making a list of everything we wanted to change in our home. We wanted to update the color scheme, replace the carpet with hardwood floors, expand the kitchen, and update the bathrooms. We also wanted to improve the overall flow and functionality of the space. The renovation process. Once we had our list, we hired a contractor to help us with the renovation process. We knew we wanted to do a lot of the work ourselves, but we needed help with some of the more complex tasks, such as installing new cabinets and countertops in the kitchen and updating the plumbing in the bathrooms. The renovation process took several months. We started by removing all the old carpet and replacing it with hardwood floors. We then painted the walls and ceilings in a modern, neutral color scheme. This helped to brighten up the space and make it feel more open and airy. Next, we tackled the kitchen renovation. We removed the old cabinets and appliances and replaced them with new, modern ones. We also expanded the kitchen by knocking down a wall that separated it from the dining room. This helped to create a more open and inviting space that was perfect for entertaining. The bathroom renovation was next on our list. We updated the plumbing and installed new fixtures, including a new bathtub and shower. We also replaced the old tile with modern, subway tile, and painted the walls in a fresh, clean color. The after. After months of hard work, our home renovation was finally complete. The transformation was incredible. Our home felt like a completely new space. The hardwood floors and neutral color scheme helped to make the space feel more modern and sophisticated. The expanded kitchen was perfect for entertaining, and the updated bathrooms were a welcome change. We were thrilled with the results of our home renovation. It was worth the time and effort we put into it. We now had a living space that was not only more functional but also more comfortable and inviting. The lesson. Renovating a home is not an easy task, but it can be a rewarding one. If you are considering a home renovation project, take the time to plan and budget carefully. It is important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and to work with a reputable contractor who can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, renovating our home was a challenging but rewarding experience. We were able to update our living space and create a more functional and comfortable environment for our family. We hope our before and after photos will inspire you to take on your own home renovation project. With careful planning and the right contractor, you too can transform your home into the space of your dreams.